How to brainstorm blog titles in seconds. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Gemini app on your phone to brainstorm blog titles in seconds. First, open the Gemini app on your phone and tap the chat bar at the bottom to bring up your keyboard. Now, type something like, "Give me 10 blog title ideas about," and then add your topic. It could be travel, fitness, personal finance, cooking, anything you're writing about. Then hit send. Gemini will instantly give you a list of creative, catchy title options that are ready to use or tweak to your liking. If you want a different style, just follow up in the same chat. Say something like, "Make them more fun and casual," or "Give me more SEO-friendly versions," and Gemini will come back with fresh ideas right away. You can keep going back and forth until you land on the perfect title for your post. And that's it. Brainstorming blog titles with Gemini takes just seconds. No more staring at a blank screen trying to come up with the perfect headline.